This video walks you through how to set up deal stages in HubSpot. Start by signing into your HubSpot account. Once you are on the main dashboard, click the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, go to Objects, then select Deals. This opens the area where your deal pipelines and stage settings are managed, so you are in the right place for updating how deals move through your sales process. From there, select the Pipelines tab. This section shows the deal pipelines that already exist in your account. If your account uses more than one pipeline, this is where you switch between them and decide which one you want to update. Next, open the Select a Pipeline dropdown and choose the pipeline you want to edit. If you need a separate pipeline for a different process, you can create a new one here before continuing. Make sure you are working in the correct pipeline before adding or rearranging stages, since changes will apply only to the pipeline that is currently selected. After that, click Add Stage. HubSpot will prompt you to enter a name for the new deal stage. Type the stage name you want to use, keeping it aligned with the actual steps your team follows as deals progress. The stage name should be clear enough that anyone viewing the pipeline can understand what it represents. Once the new stage has been added, configure its settings. Set the deal probability for that stage, and review any other available stage properties or automation settings shown in the panel. This is where you define how HubSpot should interpret that stage and how it fits into your reporting or follow-up process. If your account includes additional options here, apply the ones that match how you want this stage to function. When the stage details are in place, arrange the deal stages into the correct order. Drag and drop each stage until the sequence matches your actual sales process. The order matters, since this determines how the pipeline appears when your team views or updates deals. If you added a new stage in the middle of the process rather than at the end, place it where it belongs before saving. With the stages in the right order, click Save to apply your changes. This updates the selected pipeline with the stage name, probability, and placement you just configured. If HubSpot takes a moment to process the update, wait for the save to complete before moving away from the page. To verify the result, go back to CRM, then open Deals. From there, open the pipeline you just edited and look through the stage column or board view. Confirm that the new deal stage appears in the correct position and that the pipeline reflects the structure you set up in settings. Your HubSpot deal pipeline now includes the updated deal stages in the order you configured,